Nestled in the front of your neck, resembling a tiny butterfly, lies the thyroid gland. Don't let its size fool you. This small gland plays a big role. It produces hormones, primarily thyroxine or T4, and triiodothyronine or T3, which are essential for regulating metabolism. This, in turn, affects almost every cell in your body, impacting energy levels, temperature regulation, heart rate, and more. When the thyroid doesn't produce enough of these vital hormones, it leads to a condition known as hypothyroidism. Imagine your body as an orchestra, with the thyroid as the conductor. When the conductor slows down, the entire orchestra falls out of sync. Similarly, in hypothyroidism, the body's processes slow down, leading to a range of symptoms. Understanding hypothyroidism is crucial for early detection and effective management. It's important to note that hypothyroidism is more common in women than men, and while it can occur at any age, it is often diagnosed in people over 60. Recognizing the signs and symptoms, and understanding the causes and risk factors can empower individuals to seek timely medical attention. Hypothyroidism often develops gradually, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact cause in every case. However, several factors can contribute to this condition. One common culprit is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, an autoimmune disorder where the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks the thyroid gland, impairing its ability to produce hormones. Another potential cause is iodine deficiency. Iodine is a crucial component of thyroid hormones, and when the body doesn't get enough through diet, hormone production can be hampered. Certain medications such as lithium and amiodarone can also interfere with thyroid function and lead to hypothyroidism. Several risk factors can increase the likelihood of developing hypothyroidism. Family history plays a significant role, as a predisposition to autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto's can be inherited. Women, particularly those over 60 or who have recently been pregnant, are also at a higher risk. Additionally, certain medical conditions such as type 1 diabetes and celiac disease can increase the likelihood of developing thyroid problems. The symptoms of hypothyroidism can be subtle, especially in the early stages, and often mimic those of other conditions, making diagnosis challenging. The slow onset nature of the condition further complicates matters, as individuals may attribute their symptoms to aging, stress, or other factors. However, being aware of the common signs is crucial for early detection. One of the hallmark symptoms is fatigue. Even after a full night's sleep, individuals with hypothyroidism may feel constantly tired and lack energy. This fatigue can be accompanied by unexplained weight gain, even with little change in diet or exercise routine. As metabolism slows down, the body becomes less efficient at burning calories, leading to weight gain. Other noticeable signs include sensitivity to cold. People with hypothyroidism may find themselves reaching for an extra sweater even in mildly cool temperatures, as their body struggles to regulate its temperature. Dry skin and hair loss are also common, as the thyroid hormones play a role in skin cell renewal and hair growth. These symptoms, while seemingly unrelated, are all interconnected by the thyroid's influence on various bodily functions. Section 4. Unraveling the mystery diagnosing hypothyroidism. Diagnosing hypothyroidism involves a two-pronged approach, a thorough medical history review and a simple blood test. Your doctor will begin by asking about your symptoms, their duration, and any family history of thyroid disorders. This will be followed by a physical examination during which your doctor will feel your neck for any enlargement or abnormalities in the thyroid gland. The blood test, often referred to as a thyroid function test, measures the levels of thyroid-stimulating hormone or TSH and thyroxine or T4 in your blood. TSH, produced by the pituitary gland in the brain, signals the thyroid gland to produce T4. In hypothyroidism, the thyroid gland isn't producing enough T4, leading to an elevation in TSH levels. Elevated TSH levels, coupled with low or normal T4 levels, usually confirm the diagnosis of hypothyroidism. The doctor may also check for thyroid antibodies in the blood, which can indicate an autoimmune cause like Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Once diagnosed, treatment typically involves daily medication to replace the missing thyroid hormone, helping restore balance to your body's functions. Section 5. Treatment and management restoring balance. Once diagnosed with hypothyroidism, the good news is that treatment is usually straightforward and effective. The cornerstone of management is thyroid hormone replacement therapy, typically with a synthetic form of thyroxine known as levothyroxine. This medication essentially replaces the hormone your thyroid gland isn't producing in sufficient quantities, helping to restore your body's metabolic functions to normal. Finding the right dosage is crucial and may require some adjustments over time. Your doctor will monitor your TSH levels through regular blood tests, adjusting the dosage as needed to achieve and maintain optimal hormone levels. It's important to take your medication consistently as prescribed, ideally at the same time each day, to maintain stable hormone levels in your bloodstream. While medication effectively manages the symptoms of hypothyroidism, lifestyle modifications can further support your well-being. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein provides essential nutrients for overall health. Engaging in regular physical activity, even moderate exercise like walking or swimming, can help boost energy levels and improve mood. Section 6. Living well with hypothyroidism, a journey of awareness. Living with hypothyroidism is a journey that requires understanding, awareness, and proactive management. While the diagnosis may initially seem daunting, the good news is that with proper treatment and lifestyle adjustments, individuals with hypothyroidism can lead full and active lives. Regular checkups with your doctor are crucial for monitoring your thyroid hormone levels and ensuring the effectiveness of your treatment plan. Communication is key. Be sure to discuss any new symptoms or concerns you may have with your healthcare provider. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Numerous online resources, support groups, and communities offer valuable information, shared experiences, and emotional support for individuals navigating life with hypothyroidism. By staying informed, taking charge of your health, and building a supportive network, you can thrive despite the challenges of this condition.